Hello guys, welcome back to Good Show Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix mouse middle click is not working on your Windows 10 and how to fix this up. So first thing what you have to do is go to Start and search for mouse settings. Click on this. Now on the left side there is additional mouse option. On the right side there is additional mouse option. Select this. Then go to wheel. Then make sure that these two values, that is vertical scrolling is 3 as well as horizontal scrolling is 3. Just make sure it is 3. If not, make it 3. And once after that, go for OK and close this. Now you have to do one more step. So that is you have to go to this PC and right click and go to properties. Now on the right side there is a device manager option. Click on this. Now under mic and other pointing devices, click on this, and there is codeless mouse driver which you have to go for. Update the driver. Just update the driver, and most probably this issue, which is how to fix mouse middle click is not working on Windows 10, will be completely fixed up. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. And this is Shahin officially signing off from GitFields. Keep practice social distance, be safe and stay safe.